Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start English lesson number 10, the Supremo. What is the meaning of Supremo? Supremo means the most important person or anything. Now activity 1, study the shadow and mention the time of the day. Now first picture, it is 2:15 p.m. Second picture is 7:30 a.m. Third picture is 5:30 p.m. and fourth picture is 10 a.m. How do we make out the time? It depends upon the position of sun. So according to that we can say the time. Now activity 2 you have to do on your own. Now we move on to activity 3, that is the poem. First we will see the meaning. Supremo means the most important. Dawn means early morning. Begone means go away. Perfectly means totally or completely. Noon means afternoon. To reign means to rule. To descend means to go down. To ebb means to become less. To wane means to become less. To go down means to set. To cease means to stop, and darkness here is night. Now we shall read the poem, The Supremo. When the great sun comes up at dawn, he is the king of the sky. He says to the stars, "Get out of my sight. Be gone," and the moon turns perfectly white in the powerful light. Then he climbs the sky to the height of noon and sits on his throne brighter than bright and reigns alone. But when he descends in the afternoon, the shadows grow long and the power begins to ebb and wane. And when he goes down in his kingly way, at the end of the day, he ceases to reign. The darkness falls, the stars come out, and night returns to the world again. Written by Mary Britton Miller. So dear children, you must be knowing our solar system, and sun is a star of our solar system. It is the brightest star of our solar system, and when sun comes up, everything is brightly seen. Therefore, in this poem, the poetess says that when the sun comes out, he tells all the stars and the moon to go, and they vanish from the sky, and only we can see the sun. And as sun moves at the height of the noon, means when it is 12 o'clock, we see that sun is above our head. And therefore, the poetess says that he sits on his throne, means he is a king. Why he is a king? Because he is very bright and he alone runs the sky. And after the noon, slowly the sun goes down, and in the evening we see that sun is almost going down, means his kingdom is ending there. And again the darkness comes out. The stars comes out, and again we can see the night. Activity 4. Adjectives are describing words. In the given poem, you have read some describing words like powerful light. Find 5 other describing words from the poem. So first one is the great. The sun is great. The next one is white. So who is white? Means the moon turns perfectly white. So white is describing the moon. Next is the bright, brighter than the bright. Again the sun has been described. Now fourth one is long. Now our shadow has been described as long. And lastly, kingly. Again sun has been described in his kingly way. Activity 5. Match the adjective in column A with the appropriate nouns in column B as they occur in the poem. So first one is great. Great is what? Sun. Second one, powerful. Powerful is what? Light. Third one, long. Long is what? Shadows. And lastly, fourth one, kingly. Kingly is the way. I hope, dear children, you have understood up till here. Thank you for watching the video.